Hey y'all, I'm back again with more air frying fun. This afternoon I decided I wanted to do some fried dill pickles, so I went to my refrigerator to pull out a jar and I discovered that, much like old Mother Hubbard, my refrigerator was bare. I didn't even have a jar in my pantry. So I had to send my husband out to the store to get me some more pickles. When you live out in the country like we do, that's not always an easy feat. Why, he had to fight down swarms of ladybugs and armies of armadillos just to get to his pickup truck. And then when he set out down the road towards the big city, there's every manner of beast out on the road. Why, he had to dodge deer and he had to dodge squirrel, and I'm not even thinking about those crazy drivers out there. But he sure is a good man, and he came back with a jar of pickles, so I'm ready to get started. Put your pickles on a paper towel and just try to blot out as much moisture as you can. You're going to need to have the air fryer preheating. While it's preheating, we can assemble the dill pickle chips. You're going to need flour, a beaten egg, and panko breadcrumbs. We'll put the dill pickle chip in the flour. We'll put it in the egg mixture. And now we'll move it over to the breadcrumbs, making sure everything is nice and coated. Now spray the pickles with an oil, coating both sides. Now we're ready to put the dill pickle chips into the air fryer. You're going to want to place them in the air fryer so they're not stacked on top of each other. Oh boy, this is exciting. You'll cook the dill pickle chips at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And when they come out, they should be crispy brown. The fried dill pickle chips are done. I did flip them halfway through to ensure even browning. Oh, these are fantastic looking. Let's get them plated so we can try some. Well, I've got them plated and they look beautiful. They're golden brown on both sides. Now it's time for the taste test. Just got a little jalapeno ranch to dip them in. This is good. This is very good. It's crispy. It's warm in the middle. Best part of all, there's not a lot of grease, so definitely I'm going to do this again. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'll hope you try some fried dill pickle chips of your own if you have an air fryer. If not, I'm so far recommending you buy one. I like mine already. Let me know what you like to cook, and if you enjoy these videos, if you watched it all the way to the end, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.